You can claim up to £8,000 in grant subsidy to have solar panels installed on your home. Yeah, you heard that right. If you currently heat your home with electric heaters, you can apply to have a complete solar system installed from under £500. The local councils of Mid and North Devon have introduced a grant subsidy that will cover up to 90% of the cost to install solar on your home. If you're a homeowner or private tenant, you can apply for a grant to pay up to £8,000 of the total cost. There are no strings attached, there are no repayments to be made, and the system is 100% yours. To find out in under 60 seconds how much you can claim towards the cost of your solar installation, click on the button below.